Hi Vishal.
Hi.
So we had a, you can say, explosive weekend, but कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा टेबल में.
No, I think Bangalore or Punjab almost through, and Mumbai, Delhi, and GT fighting with each other for the third and fourth spot as of now.
But
Uh,
every match was 200 plus.
every match was 200 plus, and every team can
Ev-
even now in the top five can go up to the first and second position.
Yes, yes.
Rajasthan, Chennai, तो all out ही है for all practical purposes. I think even it is fair to say even Hyderabad is out.
KKR is still in play. एक मैच जीत तो गए वो लोग और they are also 11 points is a curse for them. Which Punjab के लिए incidentally it's a good thing now. वो जो एक extra point.
Extra
See,
point.
that is what I was saying कि ये that gave them the advantage and Mumbai therefore is right now because they have the equal number of wins.
Yeah.
7 wins उनके भी है हमारे भी है और वो 15 पॉइंट पे है बिकॉज वो बारिश वाला एक उनको भगवान ने दे दिया.
लेकिन आई थिंक क्लियर हो चुका है अभी वो 5 में से ही होना है. आई वुड स्टिल से कि हैदराबाद और कोलकाता दोनों के लिए हैदराबाद तो आउट ही है मेरे हिसाब से. कोलकाता के लिए इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी
हैदराबाद तो डेफिनेटली आउट है ना 6 पॉइंट पे.
कोलकाता
चार मैच अगर वो नॉट दैट दे आर गोइंग टू विन ऑल 4 but even if they win all 4 they can only reach 14 so they still can't be in the top 4 so they're out.
आई थिंक कोलकाता का एक ही चीज है कि अगर वो सारे मैच जीतते हैं और द टीम्स विच आर आउट विच इज हैदराबाद चेन्नई एंड जयपुर वो टॉप 3-4 टीम्स में से हराते हैं तो इनको एक नंबर मिलता है. सो दो सेट्स ऑफ प्रिजम्पशंस हैं और रिजल्ट्स हैं which have to go their way and
against the teams correct they have to be against the teams which are currently in the top.
yes and I think Lucknow is also out. अब लखनऊ का नेट रन रेट इतना खराब है कि वो जीत भी गए तो उनको बड़े बड़े मार्जिन से जीतना है और ऊपर वालों को बड़े बड़े मार्जिन से हारना है. It has clearly been a huge disappointment and I don't know whether it will be difficult for LSG. पंत को रिटेन करे या कोच लैंगर को रिटेन करे next year. Do they have the patience to retain both? Because I think more than what any coach could have done, Pant has disappointed big time. His choice of shots, his response to high pressure situations has been pretty ordinary this time. His T20 game is thoroughly exposed this time.
I think, but I mean, I don't know now. अभी LSG कैसे करता है? Traditionally, it's always been the star always stays. Coaches go. India में तो ये has been the case. Having said that, LSG ने मतलब जिस तरह से KL Rahul had gone out, chances are पंत को भी दरवाजा दिखा दे.
But वो तब होगा जब पंत को कोई खरीदेगा. Remember that. Who's going to pay that kind of a sum for him?
पंत को some कम होगा शायद because of performance नहीं है तो फिर obviously
because most other keepers have performed.
Yes.
Whether it's Rickleton, you know,
he's doing very well for Mumbai.
Yes.
Giving good.
Yeah, most other keepers have performed. Maybe barring Kolkata's Quinton de Kock.
Samson, what happened in the middle of the? Was he injured? Where is he suddenly disappeared?
Samson is injured, is what they say.
हाँ.
But it seems very strange. But पहले 3 मैच तो वो खेल रहा था. उसने क्यों पहले 3 मैच में उसको कैप्टन बनाया? रियान पराग को वो भी समझ में नहीं आया. Rajasthan complete disarray though. If they persist with Rahul Dravid, I think they'll bounce back next year. At least there is a calm head there.
Yeah.
And I think there are bright flashes there. I think Archer showed decent form. Sandeep Singh in patches. Vaibhav has a revelation. Yashasvi, I think, if they persist with him and give him
kids everywhere. Even in fact, Ayush Badoni, all these teenagers are now doing.
Yes.
He made some 74, and he was playing sub out हो रहे थे, but he was playing freely and.
I think Lucknow को अपनी bowling को bolster करना पड़ेगा. बाकी they seemed clueless on the field yesterday, but otherwise batting wise they're still decent, barring of course Pant.
True. Pant is, I don't know if he's not fit, he's mentally not there, but something's wrong.
Something's wrong. Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक भी मैच में कुछ भी परफॉर्म ना हो. कभी-कभी
he's never been the best T20 player though. he's always fallen short of expectations in T20. तो ऐसी भी कोई हम नई चीज नहीं देख रहे हैं. He's always been a far better test player.
But यार we've been always seeing him, जब वो टेस्ट में परफॉर्म करता है, people always say अरे ये तो टेस्ट में T20 खेल रहा है, तो T20 में T20 क्यों नहीं खेल रहा है? You know that, I mean,
because field खुली होती है टेस्ट में. I think the same syndrome, it's a Sehwag syndrome. Sehwag was brilliant in tests. He was very good in ODIs, but test wala, is he a goat in ODIs? No. Is he a goat in tests? Yes. So I think ये वही वाला syndrome है. Field फैली हुई है, he can't free his arms, you know, तो वो वाला दिक्कत है. After a point ना, even while he plays T20 in tests,
Vishal, I've seen him bad.
Statistics support him in tests. They don't here. Very simple.
नहीं पंत की बात करें ना, I'm seeing him bat right now. That unconventional T20 style of batting, वो पीछे मार देना, गिर के ऊपर से ले लेना, वो शॉट्स तो खेल नहीं रहा है, वो नॉर्मल शॉट्स भी टाइम नहीं कर पा रहा है. So his timing has gone for a toss.
Lots of confidence. I think he wasn't played in the Champions Trophy team also. Bench पे बैठा था throughout. Maybe those things are clearly there is a feeling that no, KL Rahul is the first choice ODI wicketkeeper. Other keepers are breathing down his neck in the tests also. He's feeling the heat clearly. It's not a cakewalk for him to get into the team like it was for Dhoni. There are too many pretenders here now.
Too many contenders.
Too many contenders.
Yeah.
And pretenders also, because Ishan Kishan is, I would say, not a contender but a pretender. But I think in my head, I think I'm very clear. I don't think it's going to be beyond these 5. I'm not expecting LSG or KKR to make any miraculous recovery. And if I have to stick my neck out and put it up there, I will say RCB, Punjab, GT and Mumbai now. These 4 other teams getting through.
DC आज जीत गया तो फिर वापस आ जाएगा टॉप 4.
No, I'm sticking to these 4.
Okay. Let's see. I mean, chances are DC and KKR both have, it's open. ऐसा नहीं है कि they are out, down and out. जिस तरह से CSK और SRH आप बोल सकते हो, RR बोल सकते हो कि these are either out. They can only now cause upsets. खुद के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. They can cause upsets and go into the next season thinking मतलब कुछ end on a happier note than what it has been for them. Otherwise, there is, yeah, you're right. Even I would say the same 4.
But इस बार क्या है ना, सारा टफ कंपटीशन ऊपर के 3 में है.
Yes.
Typically, आपकी teams eliminate होती है at a much later stage. Has been the case this year. इस बार आपकी 2 टीम तो पक्का एलिमिनेट होगी, तीसरी भी एलिमिनेटेड ही है, और बाकी और इसके अलावा भी जो 2 है वर्ज पे ही है. ये दे आर अवेटिंग टू मेनी रिजल्ट. बहुत जल्दी एलिमिनेशंस हो गए हैं. आपके टॉप 2 में ही फाइट चल रही है, टॉप 3 में.
Yeah, top 3 may actually. And if you see that there also, I think Mumbai has a very good advantage because the momentum has come to them. In the last 5 games, they have not lost. Whereas if you look at RCB, the most recent game they lost. Punjab, -1 game they lost. Gujarat bhi last game they lost. So Mumbai is the only team जो 5 के 5 जीतते हुए आ रही है.
With the best run rate in the top 4.
Best, yes, the run rate is actually. So अगर वो
What has happened is 3 मैच रोहित खेल गया. अब जो रोहित मैच खेल जाता है
वो तो जीत गया है,
तो नेट रन तीनों जीते वो.
yes,
तो वहां नेट रन रेट जबरदस्त बढ़ जाती है.
yes.
मतलब 33 या 34 बॉल 50 जो उसने मारा, लोग बोले थे थोड़ा स्लो था. ऐसी हालत है. So that is what he brings. And वो तीनों मैच में नेट रन रेट सॉलिड बढ़ा इनका.
Yes.
That is another advantage. ये जब 16 पे अटक जाएंगे ना और टीमें होंगी, नेट रन रेट इनको बहुत सपोर्ट करेगा.
Cool, then let's see what happens in the next 3-4 games.
In the next 2-3 days.
Definitely, it'll be decided by then. The top 4 guys will be there.
Yes.
Okay. Let's talk about SRH and DC match tomorrow if something great happens.
Yes.
Hopefully कोई 14 साल का बच्चा 18 साल का बच्चा कुछ मार देगा. Let's see.
हाँ, और एक डेड रबर को एक्साइटिंग करेगा.
Cool.
ठीक है. Okay.
Bye Vishal.
Bye.